Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this papaya oats breakfast drink. So here we go. Okay, so in my jar, which I got with my hand blender, I have about 1 cup of the papaya that I cut up into small pieces already, right? And the papaya is not that sweet, so I'm going to add this is half tablespoon of brown sugar to give it more taste, and 2 tablespoons of quick oats, 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put a few splashes of cinnamon powder. That should do it. Then I'm going to add, this is 1 cup of water. You could use like lukewarm water, but I noticed that when I use warm water, the final product gets thick after a while. I really like it thick. I like it more on the runny side. My husband likes it chilled. So, and normally I use a banana to make my quick oats in the morning, but this time I'm going to use the papaya. So I'm going to use my hand blender to blend this up. There you have it. I'm all done with my quick oats and papaya breakfast drink. It didn't take me about 2 minutes to get this nice and creamy. So I'm just going to pour this in my glass. Yeah, baby. This is so good. This is how I like to drink my oats. But like I said before, I normally use ripe banana. And I know I can't go wrong with this papaya. Let me just give it a taste. Oh yeah, just right, just enough sugar for me. Again, you could add like somebody suggested like maple syrup. I never used that before myself, but I guess you could use that. Also, you can use honey. I don't like honey, so I prefer to use my brown sugar, and that's it. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Much love, Martina. Bye bye.